I didn't know most of the time organizing a show and also directing a show can be this much of a struggle, because usually you delegate people to do some of these parts, and because this is new and this is still my own, that was a struggle for me, and it's a lesson learned, and I think it's a great lesson and growth for him. But being a Lokishini, also safety, we worry about safety, we worry about support, in full potential, but we are pushing, and I can see the love from the people that are showing love, more especially the ones that are particular part of LD Dance Studios.
In this 16 days of activism, more bodies now came up. Yabo, abantu abaninzi ngona basulekayo even worse. Yabona. So I'm like, lento siyenzayo ize ngexesha le right.
We are remembering those who lost their life through GBV, gender-based violence, and nabasaseferishayo ngoku from those acts, the abuse.
We talk about people that have not been spoken of. Yabona. So we had to do more research and name those people up. People like Olindo Kuhletele, who passed away, and kwathethwa nje yaphelela up. So now we are bringing those names up. People like Onamhla or Uyinene Mkhwetyana.
Ku-communities zethu amapolisa akho nto bayenzayo, kodwa each and every day kwenzeka izinto in our communities ezenzeka kwi-sisters zethu, ezenzeka even kwi-brothers zethu. So that is why le production isiyenza senzela ukubana okay nabangaphandle bakwazi ufunda, bakwazi uza ne-solution uba okay no thina senza ntoni, yintoni inxaxheba esithathayo ku-community zethu ukuze bonke abantu babe safe.
Sikhule izinto ezifihlwayo ezo, and as I grew elokishini, I've witnessed a lot, and we've lost a lot of friends. Even in high school, those are the things we're not talking about, and I think taking a path here at is like gave me freedom and liberation to be able to talk about the things that I've experienced. Noba I call in me physically, but things that I've witnessed outside life, whether a family or with friends or ekhaleni, it's things that I've seen, and I know that it's not okay, but because society is making them okay, cause a solution. And I think there is a solution. It's to talk about it, it's to stand against it and be firm about it.
Kwezinye dance that I've done before is that it's more of dancing, ne? Whereas kulena it's more of telling the story about umuntu, not necessarily about his steps.
Biba difficult from the process because ufuna ndibe omnye umuntu ndingayibulelani lo ndinguye as ndingumuntu ongutata as ndingubhuti.
The challenges that we are facing as a creative from Elokishini is access to indawo, access to space so that we can be able to create, access to equipment.
Si hlala kude ne, and ke ngoku by the time we get into the space something else has come up, so ufumaniseka bangaba si emotionally ukwenye indawo ke ngoku because usuke kowenu with an intention obangaba ndiya emsebenzini to do this kind of work, but ibakhona nje ekuphazamisayo. For example, apho besirehesela khona we couldn't make it on time, yabona, because we don't have indawo, like a proper space to say bana siyafika at this time and then we start.
If there's anyone that you know that has been violated, follow those. Let's know. Let people know what's happening. More especially for Hlale Lokishini. Let's talk about it. Let's not shy away. And I know it risks us to death, but so be it.
Zikhona workshops ezenziwayo malungana nothetho-thethwano, ilaki umzekelo i-conversation about i-GBV. So ukuba ke kunga-attendwa isikakhulu kwabantu abangootata i-workshop ezinjalo, ndingathemba bangafunda.
Talk about people that were killed. Asithethi asiyikhanga moyeni, sithetha ngabantu bebekhona bebephila and now abasaphili, and we don't know baziphelele phi i-cases zabo. We are 100% behind them. We also pray that one day justice will be served, yabona, to any woman that has been abused. any child that has been abused yabona sikhona we are trying our best not on our side as a performer or as an artist to say it out because it does not only end kubo yabona nathi sikhona as performers to say bana we've got this, we've got you guys, siyanisupport fully.
Masiphakameni into zakuthi man uyabo sike singeneleni nakulo mahholo zininzi into ezenzekayo ezithetha about i-GBV kukho ii-performances ezenziwayo about i-GBV so noba nabo bangafunda lukhulu kwizinto abantu abazi-expressayo okanye abazithethayo ngomlomo wabo nangemizimba because asenza into efanayo so inoba kunga-right ngelo hlobo.